$7,000 of loss. And as much I would like to be a fake guru that does not bother about showing you the reality and show you that they have 99% of win rate, or they're able to convert $100 to $1 million, guys, this is the reality of trading. Losses are normal, but I have to keep taking them on my chin and learn from it. So I had to go through today emotions. We're gonna go through what happened today, what are gonna be my changes, and how can I learn from it. So let's go to it. We don't lose time. And first of all, this is my chart of the last 2 weeks. We started super well. We managed $710. Very excited, looking at this profit growing, and I was like, wow, the strategy is working, and I'm making some good changes here. Okay, first loss, second loss, break even, loss, and I'm kind of right now lost, right? And today especially, I was not happy with myself. The only things I'm happy about today is that I did not go over my max loss. My max loss is around $400, $500. I kept it to $500 today. It's not a big difference, but still, this is not the problem. The number is not a problem. I'm not happy with other two things. We're gonna go through it. The first things is the part of overtrading, and I want to show you the overtrading side of the last days. You can see here how I made profit, very happy with it, but how here I lost during my live session. Look at the title, from green to red, overtrading. There is another overtrading here, somewhere here, chopping market, here break even, overtrading here. So in the last 4 videos, 3 of them I commented about overtrading. So there is a connection there, and one definitely is overtrading. And when I go about my daily journal, I want to show you something. Look at the last days, how on the last part of the day, I always give back profit, or almost every time. Here, I let profit and I decide to take another trade. That brings me to break even, to slightly again break even red. So this was a risky trade, from break even to red, from green to red, from break even to red, from almost break even to red. Here is the first 2 days were made me profitable, and probably these are 2 days that made me the bad habit of taking more trades, because if I take one more trade, I will be green on the day. But that's the point. Here I'm trading too much. And when I look at my way of trading of the last year, you know me very well. If you're following me for a while, until now I've been always using the 50-minute strategy. And what had the 50-minute strategy was, guys, 2 things. The simplicity of it, very easy to apply. And second, the strict rules around it. I cannot take more than 2 trades, and 2 trades only it. I cannot take the same trade twice. That's it. 2 trades, 2 wins, 2 loss, whatever it is. And probably, and I'm gonna say 100%, is because of the fact of accepting my loss or accepting my win and moving to the next day. At the end of the months of the year, last year I was profitable. This year I'm profitable not because I made money with a new strategy. I'm still profitable because with the 50-minute strategy I made money at the beginning of the year. That's the beauty of it. So when I look at my trading here, one of the changes is gonna be the overtrading. How I'm gonna change it, I'm gonna tell you very soon. Another things that I really don't like what I'm doing, it's here on the first 3 days of the last week, I had some good trades, and as well this period was a Trump period. You were taking along and it was skyrocketing 200 points. And I think this is the things that brought me into a bad habit. And I'm trying to get some self-awareness here, trying to understand where I'm getting my mistake, where I can learn, where I'm doing my mistakes, because that's my fault. So here I get a bad habit of like expecting to make 100 points every time. And then I go today here, I take an example, the first trade of the day. I went short here. On this candle here, rejection, continue lower, and the idea was there. I liked it. Apple was lower, Amazon was rejecting VWAP, many main stocks were on a rejection side, and I was like, yeah, this is a good risk reward. taking the short, risking these highs, where would have been a nice rejection time, go for it. And from here, where I take my short to the lows, was a 1 to 1.2 risk reward. I was risking around $120, and I could have made $140-50, even more, I think, $180. So here I was making some more profit. What happened is that my idea of getting home run, I wanted to have more. So I added at the break, and unfortunately the market reversed. And always looking for a long move. And the problem of that, guys, is that I have only 1 hour of trading. I don't have 3 hours. I don't have 4 hours. I don't have 5 hours. And I'm glad I don't have that. I'm really glad I don't have that. Trading is stressful enough. I'm good at trading 1 hour. I call it goodbye. Have a beautiful day, guys. See you tomorrow. Because if I trade more than 1 hour, it's better if I stop trading. And it's too much emotional. Trading is emotionals. And I have to understand, self-aware, that I have some limitations. We are not all the same. We are all different. And some of us treat the emotions better than others. I try to learn, but that's it. So in that trade, in a moment, I was up $133. And I think I was even more up, $180 I was up. And I didn't close the position. And the problem here is that I let this position from being up $180 when I was looking for maybe, you know what, $250. So I was looking for $100 more here, and I let it come down to minus 264. So how much I risked there, being from here? I risked probably around $400. So here, with the dynamic risk reward, here I was risking 1 to 1.5 risk reward, and here I got to 4, 5 risking. I was risking 4, 5 to make 1. That's the point. My loss here should have been more controlled. I cannot risk all this amount of money to make $50 more. I have to understand that. I have to improve on that. That's going to be one of the next factor. And it will be applied with some changes. So unfortunately, this is how it's going right now. We're getting some loss, but we're improving. And we're going to get some improvements from next Monday. So next Monday, we're going to apply 2 rules. The first rule is going to be, don't look for home runs. Go look for the 1.5 risk reward, 1.1, looking at the next level, and take out the profit. Move to the next trade. I don't have more time to trade. Take 2 trades per day. That's the second rule. 2 trades per day. 2 wins, great. 2 loss, great. 2 1-1, great. The most important is that I have a 1-to-1 minimum risk reward where I take profit. Less than that I cannot. 1.5 risk reward as well in the good side. And just that, repeat it over and over. I know I'm good at 2 trades per day. I know I'm good at trading. I know I'm good at reading the market right now. I just need to have some rules to cover myself and protect myself. As much as many of us are good at reading the markets, I'm good at reading the markets, but I'm not good at other things. And I have to protect myself with some rules, and I needed them. I feel good to have some rules. I feel good to have someone in my head here telling me, oh, Amsa, 2 maximum trades, time to go. If you take more, you're not good at it. You're not able to handle it. So being self-aware of my weakness, it's one point, and I'm trying to be better at it. And I hope, guys, this video was useful for you. Always remember, 80% off with Apex right now. Code Hamza, you can use it as many times as you want. And come to live streaming every day at 9:30 in the New York session, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.